So these are the first 3 zucchinis I've picked from my garden this year. I let them go a little too long, so they're a little big. I swear they grow like 6 inches a day. Just had to peel them. I need to find a better method for this. And I put them in a mixing bowl with some olive oil and then some seasoning of choice. I use Creole seasoning. And then I put them in a pan to bake them. I probably use too much seasoning and too much olive oil here, but just use seasoning of your choice. And yes, I washed my hands before this. And then I bake them all together. I bake them at 400 degrees and I try to do it for about 20 minutes, but I think I need to do it longer next time.